The car we know as the Lightyear One prototype is going to be produced as Lightyear Zero. And in the next couple of weeks, this actual car is going to be seen on the roads in the Netherlands. Because we're proud to announce that this is the first one that has been approved by authorities and is road legal. And to tell you more about it, let's invite one of the co-founders of Lightyear, Koen van Ham, to the stage. Koen is Chief Design, and he will tell more about the design and the car as well. So, enjoy!
Thank you, Lex. Lightyear Zero is record holder in many categories. It is not only the most energy efficient electric vehicle on the market, it also has 5 square meters of highly efficient solar cells integrated in the roof and in the hood. What that means is that you can drive further on the same amount of energy. In fact, our solar cells can add up to 70 kilometers of driving range per day directly from the sun. So most people could drive for months during the summer between charges. In the Netherlands, you could drive up to 2 months without charging. And in Portugal, you could drive up to 7 months before you have to charge from your plug again. That is based on an average daily commute of 35 kilometers. So in the Netherlands, you have a driving range of over 2,100 kilometers, and in Portugal, it's 3 times that, 7,400 kilometers. To get to these numbers, we had to rethink the architecture of the electric car. And when we did that, it turned out that we had to develop our own core technologies as well. We've put motors in each of the 4 wheels, giving us the lowest energy losses of any electric car powertrain ever built. We focused on highway range because that's what matters the most. We are excited to share that we achieved 560 kilometers at a highway speed of 110 kilometers an hour without the sun. It is also the most aerodynamic family car to date, with a record-breaking drag coefficient of less than 0.19. Heating and cooling also play a key role in energy use. So for Lightyear Zero, we designed an optimized thermal system that intelligently matches energy use with environmental conditions. Next, the mass of the car impacts its energy efficiency. Lightyear Zero is an electric vehicle over 5 meters long, but it only has a weight of 1,575 kilos. We achieve this by combining functions into fewer components and by using lightweight materials. For example, the full body is made out of reclaimed recycled carbon fiber, so it's lightweight and it has a low carbon footprint. At Lightyear, we believe that our drive for technological efficiency helps us to achieve a beautiful minimal design aesthetic that is sustainable without compromise. Nowhere is that proof more than in the inside of the Lightyear Zero. Our in-wheel motors allowed us to push essential electronics out of the cabin forward, so we could rethink the interior space to be a spacious place where you can enjoy your next family road trip, with plenty of storage. We selected vegan materials throughout, with plant-based leather for the steering wheel and fabrics made out of recycled plastics. With all the focus on what's on top of the car, it was still most important for us to create an interior that is bright, comfortable and effortless to use. We are really excited to share this final version with the world. Back to you, Lex.
Thanks a lot, Koen. So in the end, cars are all about freedom. And people buy a car because of the freedom it provides. So we hope that we can bring back that joy of driving, and remove that guilt and some of the constraints that other cars put on your life. And we're pushing for efficiency, not just because it's more sustainable. We're pushing for efficiency because it provides more convenience and provides more range. So you get a car that fits much better into your daily life. So I can imagine you're left with the burning question of when are we going to see these cars on the road? Well, the first test drives are going to happen in July and August, and then we're going to production in the fall, with the first delivery before the end of the year.